No, it's a platypus billed duck. I almost couldn't even say it. It was backwards. These things are really neat. Why are you shivering? You see its little foot shivering?
Oh, baby.
You're gonna make Sherry take you home.
It's a rosette cake.
You're gonna make her take you home.
And the
Hi. Are you the tough guy? Are you coming up here to give me a hard time? Oh, you came over here and shat on me? You walked right up and shat and walked off. You trying to tell me something? Why are you scared? Look at them all. Why did you shat on me, huh? Why are you shivering here? That's it.